In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use shape options. Go ahead and select the object that you would like to create a shape with. Next, click Shape Options, select Load Shape, and then go ahead and select the shape that you would like to use. To create a border, we can select our desired object, go to Shape Options, Copy Shape. Now you can go to the accent strip, go to Shape Options, and Paste Shape. Now we have an accent strip in the exact same shape as our patio. I'm going to scale that down using Offset. And then I'm going to copy the material of the border and then paste it on the accent strip. We can also copy a shape using Edit Points. So if we click on our patio, go to Edit Points, and then select the desired points that we want to create a shape alongside, we can go to Shape Options, Copy Shape. This time we'll do the retaining wall, go to Shape Options, and Paste Shape. Now we can see the retaining wall follows the shape of the points that we copied. Now we're going to copy the material of the patio border and then paste that on the retaining wall. Thanks for watching, and for more information about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com.